Hello, good evening everyone. Hi. Hello Parul. Dr. Parul is here. Hi Dr. Parul.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, Dr. Parul. Nice to see you. Mr. Rabato, good evening. Wish you all a good evening, very good evening. Welcome to my session.
Hello, Dr. Geeta. I would like to say something.
Yeah, Dr. Parul, go ahead. Dr. Parul had done my previous training, classroom training as well, and last time she also attended my online training, the first batch. So I would request her to give her feedback. She's here for that. Yes, Dr. Parul, go ahead.
I had attended in Vasai nearly a year back, and I still remember everything. It was such a nice training, and with the practical knowledge, Dr. Geeta was excellent. All her words are still in my head. How she taught us. It was an excellent training. So happy to see you again.
Thank you.
All the best for your future.
Thank you for your valuable feedback, Dr. Parul. Thank you. Dr. Bhavna is here and Krasto sir is here. Good evening, both of you. Sir, how are you? Dr. Bhavna, are you there? Hello, Dr. Bhavna. Good evening. Unmute yourself and you can talk.
Yeah. I'm just doing that. Okay. Hi. Good evening, Geeta. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you? Good to see you. Long time.
All good. Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
And this is a great initiative. I must admit that, Geeta, that you've been doing a great work. This is need of an hour. It's a basic training which everyone should know about it. And the way you conduct it, totally professional, and you're so patient with your participants. You answer all their queries. So amazing work, amazing. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so
I
much.
want to even mention about your corporate workshops which we did together. I think 2 years back. Now you've become a pro in it,
That's true.
That was amazing. The way you conducted the whole training for all the corporates there. So that time we did for corporate guys. Now you're doing with all the participants here online. And you are equally good at it.
Thank you so much. Because I wanted to spread the awareness. Because this time is the COVID-19, nobody expected, this would happen. Now everyone waits for the ambulance and the ambulance takes hours to come. So because of all this, I thought, why not, teach people around how to handle the emergency so that each and everyone should be equipped with the knowledge. These are simple techniques to learn.
Correct.
And this can save lives. So I thought, why not? And everyone is happy and getting the knowledge, so it makes me happier, So good. Sir, Charles sir is there. Charles Craster sir. Good evening, sir. How are you?
Very fine. Excellent joining you again for the short time. You did an excellent job last time when you were training, Dr. Geeta.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It means a lot coming from you as a senior person, and you are a coach yourself, so it means a lot to me. Tell me, sir, how did you like the last training, and would you,
I'm sure that this is a lifesaver for me, for any of my friends, family, people. The number of techniques you teach is fantastic in such a short time.
Yeah.
And it looks so basic after you teach. After you teach, it's so basic, but we don't know at all. Even though I'm a doctorate and plus I'm a 77 plus, I did not know.
That's true, sir. That's true. Doctors do not know this.
Like how a tongue should be, how one should be carried, how one should not do, safety, how you should take care of your own safety. Every detail. Beautiful, Dr. Geeta.
Thank you
And I
so
wish
much.
all the best. All the best. Everyone, please listen carefully to Dr. Geeta.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
I'm
sir.
very excited at the way you're succeeding. You'll really save lives.
I am not saving lives, but it's a little contribution from my side. I'm teaching, people to become lifesavers and warriors. So welcome to this community of warriors, so that you are ready, in at least I'm starting from Mumbai. Today, from many cities apart from Mumbai, only 35% of the participants have registered, from Calcutta, from Bangalore. I'm so happy that people around across the different cities, they are coming, registering, and they want to know, and they want to help others. So it's a big thing that selfless people, are here in our community. So I thank you, all of you, from the bottom of my heart, to be here, because you all are a kind of person who wants to help others. You are the person who want to provide your kindness and your generosity to others. You are sacrificing your time, your evening, time to learn something that will not benefit you, that is going to benefit others. So it's really a big thing, and this is a community. That's why I say this community is of warriors. Welcome to this community. So we'll start at 6:30. Till that time, if anyone is here to say something about this training, what they are looking forward in this training, if anyone wants to share their opinion about this, I would be really happy. Lots of new people are there. Mr. Guttikonda, good evening Priyanka, good evening Dr. Priyanka, good evening Shakti, good evening all of you. Soni, good evening. Neha, I welcome all of you. Maybe I cannot take each and everyone's name because there are more than 80 participants today. So there would be lots of
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Soni. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. Do you want to say something? What are you looking forward in this training? You unmute yourself, Soni, and then you can talk. Rajarshi sir. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Rashmi.
I have joined.
Yes, good sir. I was waiting for a long time, good to see
No,
you.
sorry for the late entry, please.
No, it's okay. We have not started with the session. We are just going around with, introduction part, knowing each other. Rashmikant sir, good to see you. Good evening. You unmute yourself, sir, and then you can talk. Sir, you have to unmute yourself. We can't, hear you. We are not getting him. Okay, who else is here? Deepa. Good evening, Deepa. Bhushan sir, good evening.
So, Dr. Geeta, I have a question here.
Yeah, go ahead, Dr. Mohammed. Tell me.
So, Dr. Geeta, we are, of course, we have learned this program with you, and now if I want to conduct this online, of course, it's going to be online for next 3-4 months. So, if I want to conduct for my whole society, because I will be talking to my, society managing secretary, and we'll talk about this program. So, if they want to conduct for the whole society, will you be able to do that for them?
Of course, why not? My, vision is that each and every family, the member of each and every family, not only corporate and industry, which I was, covering. So my intention is that everyone should know. So if your society wants to have it with our organization, well and good. I'll appreciate that. I'll do that. Absolutely.
Okay.
We can talk about this, later on phone call, one-to-one call.
Okay.
So we'll do that.
And second,
okay?
even in corporates, how would you go about it? Like, if you are going to do, if you have to do online program for corporates,
Yeah, corporates
So,
also we are
what do you
taking.
want
Yes, Dr. Bhavna, that's a good question. Corporates also are nowadays closed, so they are too much into online training. I have already
Correct.
started getting calls from corporates that they want to, do training for their employees, online training, So absolutely, I am here to do online training on emergency care and how to handle the medical and accidental emergency. So wherever, whichever place, whichever person the requirements come, I am here. So be sure that if I have time, I'm absolutely here to train, everyone for this training. So we can talk about it, Dr. Bhavna.
Good. Thank you.
Yes. So 32 participants are already there now, and can we wait for 5 more minutes so that more participants they are coming. We'll start the session. Is it okay? If it's okay, type okay in the chat, because we value your time as well. So if it's okay with you, type okay in the chat. Can I wait for? I need your permission to wait for 5 more minutes. Already 6:30, 6:35 will start. Thank you, Jenny, for allowing me. Thank you. We'll wait for 5 minutes. Thank you so much. Anyone else would like to ask anything about the training or anything else? Want to share something? Yes,
I
Rashmika?
have a question again, Dr. Geeta. I'm sorry.
Yeah, go on. We can talk now.
Because
Yeah, 5 minutes.
I work with corporates, so I just want to, ask you one thing. So you are a doctor, of course, we know that. You are a pharmacist. You've got double degree. So what all courses you have done for this emergency care?
Yes, Dr. Bhavna, when we'll start the session, I'll give my
Okay.
little introduction so that everyone
Yeah,
knows
that's
about
better.
me and my organization. So we'll
Awesome.
go in that part also. Just give me, a few minutes and everybody will know. Because I will start with my introduction.
Good.
Agnel is here. Good evening, Agnel. Oh my God, good to see you here.
Good evening.
Agnel, good evening, Agnel.
Yeah.
Agnel, yeah, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So, Agnel also attended my last time's online training. So, if Agnel, you want to give some feedback for other participants, I would be really, appreciating that, and I'll be grateful.
Yeah. It was a very good session, very informative, and in very simple terms. So I think we are in very best hands when it comes to first aid and emergency medicine, so-called emergency medicine. That Dr. Geeta, with her vast experience as a doctor herself, it's very rare that a lot of doctors go into first aid training. Generally, they prefer to keep practicing, but this is a very rare case where Dr. Geeta is actually practicing as well as into first aid. So that we are getting like they say, from the horse's mouth kind of knowledge, and it is very informative and also very understanding. It's very simple language she uses. Simple language, actual practical experience. She just shows us the videos, and I believe in her physical sessions, she also uses props and people to actually explain how the emergency has to be handled. So I think it's a good way. In fact, I have also registered for the 3-day session. 3-day session, right, Geeta? That is.
Yes, it's 3-day session. We'll be introducing this at the end of this session to other participants.
Yeah. So all the best to all the participants and to you, Geeta.
Thank you so much for being here, Agnel. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll continue with the session now. And it is already, crossed the time, and the